So as usual, my mom and me started our Diwali cleaning, like every room each day. It feels like so good to notice that there are so many clothes, items, and utensils that we feel that we don't need it anymore or we don't use it. Like without our knowledge, it's greed that we simply don't want to give it to others, even if we are not using it. I'm pretty sure everyone has faced that. But thank God my mom taught me this method. So every 3 months we look at items which we don't use, meaning we don't need it anymore. So at least it's good to give these items to others or to anyone else who will use this, especially clothes or like bed sheets and utensils, because it will come up to use for them. So this Deepavali, if you started cleaning, tell us how much weight your house has lost by now.